Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to see drafts on Instagram. So what to do, you will have to just first open the Instagram app on this Android device or iOS. So here is the interface of Instagram you will have to see. So how to find your draft posts. So you will have to go to the profile icon, and here you will just click to the on reel sections, and here on the first you will see the drafts. So there is your drafts post, so you can just edit it and just simple post. So here you can find your drafts. Mine is only one, so it's very easy and simple. You can just open the Instagram and go to reel section. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.